Hi everyone, I hope you enjoy this one too. Stay safe.
Have you watched the fun from the beginning?
Yes, I'm a fan. That's why it's always great to come and hang out.
Harold, you're the newest member here, I think.
I told you guys, this is Greg. I mean, for my kids, watching Greg do the one more thing, go, and our goals are great. I got hooked on the show, so thank you guys for having me.
Jesse, I'm going to just point out real quick before we get your reaction. We have food here from Arthur and Sons. This is a... located in Chelsea. They also own Serendipity 3, which I think we've probably all been to before and had that amazing food there. They have spicy rigatoni alla vodka, meatballs ricotta, and we have something else. Let me give you a brand, garlic bread, and we have a big cake.
Cannolis.
Cannolis. Oh yeah, get the cannoli, Jesse.
I don't want to say anything. I just want to eat the rigatoni.
Okay, go for it.
Me too.
Judge, you know,
Right now, Arthur and Sons, thank you so much.
Yes.
Judge, what do you think about the pot?
Well, I love it. I
She's aggressively driving
you get a chance to, pipe off.
No, I'm not. It's a 110 zone again.
I love it.
But he ran up that guy's ass, the guy that...
Our viewers have made it
guy just
awesome.
jumped out
One of
of
the
the way.
things I've always been amazed by is how they remember things that happened 11 years ago. And they can tell you exactly what it was and who said it and why it made them laugh or cry. No, there's no tears, right?
A few moments later.
I've been there. They have a source from the DA at La Jolla. He's letting these guys run wild. And it's just...
Oh, another cop. Tell me he's going to get the guy with the boat.
Season on beachgoers
Just
out
tell me he's
there.
getting the guy
It's
with the
really-
boat.
It's almost as sick as Hunter Biden. Tonight, Jesse
That'll make my day.
Time. Did Joe Biden promote a bogus abortion story?
Sheriff too. Right.
He could see the quarter beer in his hand, taste it, open the damn door.
Shit!
He said, "Do you want your package?" I could give a rat's ass.
Damn it.
Like on the wrong end. Yeah. Whoa. Holy shit.
Ridge Riders, you can see they're down in New Mexico in the second target area. Reed is talking, and he seems on fire today, so back down.
sense that it says what he means, end quote. So we talked a little bit about that earlier. There are different reasons why different people think the Bible is dangerous.
Okay, Garmin.
For example,
Save
Pope
video.
Francis a few years ago said,
Congress to protect local radio stations. This message furnished by the